Let's start with the screen environment layout. We can divide the screen basically into two sections, the one being the drawing area, that's where I'm going to do all the drawing work, and a menu area from where I will select all the commands that I will use to do my drawing. The drawing area is further divided into a model space, which is the black background where I will do my drawing, and then multiple sheets or title blocks that I can set up. We can further divide the menu area into a top menu, a left menu, and a bottom menu. Let's start with the top menu and go through each of these functions individually. The first menu item we'll look at is File. The first option is File New. This is when I want to start a new drawing. Next I have File Open. This is to open an existing drawing. Under Open Other I can insert a symbol, insert a reference symbol, insert a picture, insert a block, locate or absolute locate a drawing into my current drawing, or restore a backup that I've previously saved. I will explain these options in more detail as the modules progress. Open last saved drawing will do exactly that. Recent files will display the last 9 previously saved files that you can select on and open them directly. Save will save the current active drawing with the current name, which is displayed at the top tab. If it exists, it will overwrite it. Save As will save the current active drawing, but Caddy will prompt you for the new name. Save All Windows will let Caddy save all the drawings with the current names. Save Copy will let Caddy ask you to save a drawing with a new name, but keep the initial drawing with the name active. Save Sheet as Drawing will save my sheet as a drawing and it will omit the rest of the drawing. Save Exploded AEC Drawing will explode the drawing so that earlier versions of Caddy or systems that do not have AEC intelligence can also read the drawing. Scope Only will save whatever is currently displayed in my drawing area or scope as my drawing. Scope as Symbol will save whatever is currently displayed in my scope or my drawing area as a symbol and will ask me the symbol name. Selection as Symbol will save whatever I have selected and Caddy will prompt me to give the symbol name to save it. Reference Symbol. Caddy will ask you the symbol name for whatever is currently in my drawing area, save it as a reference symbol. Export. Caddy will prompt me to export a drawing out into a couple of formats, for instance, BMP, GIF, JPEG, PNG, etc. Save as PDF will save my current drawing into a PDF format and even give me an option for layer intelligence. Backup Now will back up my current drawings to my backup folder. Add Sheets to Title Sheets Drawing will add my current sheet to my Title Sheets Drawing template. Make SWF will make a shockwave flash file for animation. With Email Drawing, Caddy will compress the files associated with the project into a zip file. Open the email client and insert the zip file as an attachment to be emailed. Close Drawing will close the current drawing, and if changes have taken place, Caddy will prompt you to save the drawing utilities. Check and Fix a Drawing will check the integrity of a drawing which has become suspect. So when you get funny reactions on a drawing, run Check and Fix a Drawing. When experiencing errors on loading a drawing, run Recover Damaged Drawing and Caddy will externally try and recover the drawing. When importing older Caddy drawings, use Configure Settings for older Caddy drawings to map your pens, your line styles, fonts, and your hatching. Want to save time to recreate your version 9 title block in Caddy? Use this function to insert your title block and rescale it automatically and save it to your title sheets drawing. Use Pack Drawing to get rid of unused blocks, dimension styles, layers, line styles, pictures and text styles. Manage reference symbols to insert, remove or reload reference symbols. Manage pictures to insert, remove, hide, show or replace pictures in a drawing. Manage blocks to insert or duplicate a block, change the name or the description, save it to a file or delete it. After modifying your blocks, use Update Block Previews to update the previews of your blocks. When the visible property of an object has been disabled, how do you get it back? Use Reset Visibility of Objects and select by Scope, Rectangle, polygon or pattern to display the objects in your scope again. Hidden hatches in a drawing can cause a lot of frustration. There's no way that you can see them. Delete hidden hatches or search through the drawing, locate them and delete them. Configure plot styles. I will use this to set up the style of my plots, which includes the pen mapping, line style mapping, and the thickness of each pen. Print setup will be used to set up my printer to print to with its properties. Then I can select the paper size and the paper source, as well as the orientation that I want to print to. Select print to send my drawing to my output device, for example my printer or my plotter. Do you have a drawing with multiple sheets that you want to print all with one command? Use batch print. It will send out all the multiple sheets in one command. Select exit to close KD and go out. Have you wondered what the F7 stands for? What the Control S means? Or the Control O and the Control N? These are shortcuts that have been set up, and I'll show you in a later stage in the training modules how to set them up for yourself.